me. You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. Nobody ever loved me like you do. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I'm getting used to receiving, still getting good at not leaving. All the time you feel not scared. Learning to be grateful for myself. Okay, to turn on me. Oh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too.
I am trying. I don't know, maybe when I'm done it's gonna come together. But I think it's patchy. Like I left a lot of gaps in there. But then again, I think that's also a good thing because they don't really look that fake. I don't know. I'm trying. But this, I think also my tweezers are not it. I'm lazy to go buy the ones that I need, but then because I'm like, I can make it work. Why waste money if I could just try with this one? And Nakona, I still have other lashes, so it's not like I'm wasting because I'm just learning. This is like a trial and error. I'm not gonna be mad with myself. And then second time around, maybe I'll have like the necessary things that I need. But for now, let's just have fun with it. You might have an allergy reaction to it. Oh, this one is not it. You see. Also, picking it up. You need to master picking the whole thing up because that can also be messy. But yeah. Oh. Nope, this is wasted. You see, we also trial and error. We get to waste some of it, and some of it gets to stick on. But yeah, I'll come back with the full. I think for the I'm just gonna do one. Yo.
Gosh. Hey, sister. Congratulations on your mom again. I'm so proud of you. For conquering your dreams. Now, I've already sent you this happy stuff. So here's another.
These are a 12 millimeter. I think I did a good decision trying to put the 12 instead of the 4. What can I use other than this? Except for the bonding one, because the bonding one doesn't really last. Oh, my lips are dry. Sorry about that. Where's that Vaseline? This is a hideous activity to do. This one I've only managed to get like 2.
Why is this here? Ugh. So you guys will see the baby. He's so grown now and super heavy. Because he's so.
This thing is burning my eye, my waterline, my lash line, whatever.
Okay, so that would be a short case of the pollution.
I'm tired, yo. I am tired. I give up. Hi guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you subscribed by now. I mean, I'm trying. Now I could
appreciate you trying on your end, but it's fine. I'm not done with installing these lashes because they look kind of crazy right now. I will finish it off a bit later. What do I want to say? Oh, I uploaded. Today's the 12th of September. Let me turn this thing off. Today's the 12th of September. I uploaded a vlog after 3 weeks of not uploading anything, and I got a copyright strike, so I had to re-edit the video. Luckily, it was a scheduled video, so I still had time to kind of re-edit and cut off what I had to cut off. But yeah, this is how far we are now. I guess I'll see you when I'm done. I think my eyes have different shapes. This one and that one. Hi!
Casually, she's like, yeah, I started this at 14, now I'm 20, and also my whole family works for me.
The job, we got paid, lateral down.
I'm gonna get a shower, try and level myself out, and go to heal her.
I will never.
Oh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me, the way that you trust me. Ooh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view. I couldn't believe it.
Hi guys, welcome back to the video. I'm trying to study here. At least I understand. So far, I do understand what I'm doing, but I need someone to highlight something for me. I will text Tato and then maybe she'll help me. But thing is, I'm watching YouTube and I'm trying to understand better. The YouTube guy does it a bit differently than the way we do it, so that's kind of confusing me right now. Let me just do what the lecturer taught us instead of doing something different. La 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 la. Given a sample size N135. Whoa. Okay. N135 is for one population and an independent sample of size N2. No. What is the statistical decision question? No. Given a sample of size 15 with a sample mean 4.69, 4.88. Morning guys, join me as I go to school. It's currently 6 o'clock right now. Hi guys, it's 8 o'clock right now. The taxi just dropped me off here and then I'm walking to campus. It's like maybe a 5-minute walk, something like that.
Oh, what's up? Oh, just made it on campus. Today it's actually hot, yeah. It's like 31 degrees. But yeah, I am writing it. Guys, the sun in my eyes are not me, so forgive me for that. I'm writing at 12:30. I'm writing stats again. I think I only record when I'm writing stats. Or maybe it's because I love stats, even though sometimes enjoy yo. But yeah, let's go to the library. The sun is out and it is. People don't attend, but it's fine. I like it like this. Yeah, what's today? It's the 19th of September, so I'm guessing people already left for home and then will come back during test week. Hi.
Sorry. You got scared. I was standing calling first.
What?
I was thinking so you already.
No.
This is your first time.
So maybe breakfast. Queen Shakot particular. Today I didn't also